as I said, I'm a humanist, nutritionist by education, but I have mostly worked with animals and lately with fish, salmon in particular. In my research, I'm a professor in animal nutrition at the vet school in Norway. And I'm also chairing the Norwegian Scientific Committee for Food Safety, which kind of combines all I've done in my life, at least on the professional level. In my research, I'm chairing or leading one of the subgroups of the Aquaculture Protein Center, which is a center of excellence dealing with the impacts of plant feeds in fish feed, on fish health, and also on quality of the fish as a human food. And in that respect, we are also looking at the effects of bioactive components and anti-nutrients on the fish, and also if they are transferred to the product and may impact the human that are eating it.